Okay, it's an optional question, and it's a limit problem. Certainly, we're hoping that when you're looking at this limit, you start to realize that it has something to do with an integration. So looking at it, looks like a Riemann sum to me, and let's go through that. All right, so first up, um, it looks like the limit as n goes to infinity, and then it's pi over n times the sum. Let's take a look at that. Looks like let's put j down. J equals 1 to n, and then it looks like sine, and it looks like I pi over n. And 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, up to n pi. Yeah, it looks like it's fitting out pretty good. What I'd recommend you do here is try to visualize what this is. It certainly looks like a summation. And just to give you a general idea, I'm looking at something that looks like this over here, whatever. I'm not saying it looks like that, by the way. But, certainly I'm going to say it looks like it's divided up into, n pieces over here. Then the question is, what's it starting at? Well, let's put down a to b. And it's going to be divided into n parts. So it's going to be b minus a over n. And that's going to be equal to this pi over n. So b minus a is equal to pi over n. Now, what do I notice about this? The function over here, I'm going to say the function here appears to be sine of x. All right? Now, of course, I'm going to do this first increment over here. And it's, looking at each increment, it's pi over n. Let's take a look at that. Oh, gee, what would a be then? A would be 0, right? Of course, I'm just evaluating a sine at that over there. That certainly fits the first one. Then you get 2, 3. And what do you get over here? The last one would be, that would be what then? That would be pi, right? Let's see, n over n, yeah, pi. So this is an integration now. What's the integration going to be? It's the integration from 0 to pi of sine x dx. Do I know that guy's antiderivative? I do. It's minus cosine x. Limit integration to go from 0 to pi. I'm kind of running out of room here, so let's put this down. So minus cosine of pi minus a minus. Well, it's going to be plus cosine of 0. Well, cosine of pi is actually minus 1, and minus a minus 1 is plus 1, and the cosine of 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1, of course, is just 2. Thank you.